Hello, welcome everyone. Let us have a problem based on Pythagoras theorem. The problem is a figure based problem. This is the figure. What is given is BC is 5 cm given. BC is 5 cm. Angle B is 90 degrees shown to you. AB is equal to 5 AE. So let me write what is given and what it is given. BC is 5 cm. Angle B is 90 degree. Excuse me. Angle B is 90 degree. AB is equal to 5 AE given. Okay. AB is equal to 5 AE given. And CD is equal to 2 AE given. And also AC is equal to 8. Okay. So let AE relationship given CD and AB. So let us take AE as X. Let AE is X, then AB will be 5 AE means 5X, and CD will be 2 AE means 2X. Okay. Now in this figure we have triangle ABC right angle triangle, triangle EBD also one more right angle triangle. In both the triangles, AC is equal to AD given. That means AC is the hypotenuse of this triangle ABC. ED is the hypotenuse of triangle EBD. If, and we have to find all these things, AE, EA or AE, CD, AB, AC, all these we have to find. Okay. So, first let us see in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square, AC we don't know. AC square equal to AB is 5x whole square plus BC square, BC is 5 square. That implies AC square equal to 25x square plus 25. Let me make it as equation 1. Same way, let us see in triangle EBD. In triangle EBD, ED square is equal to EB square plus BD square. Okay. Here we don't know what is EB, but we know that EB equal to AB minus AE. So, before doing this, let me find here. ED square is equal to, here I will write, EB is equal to AB minus AE. AB is 5x minus x, that is 4x. So 4x whole square plus BD, BC is 5 and CD is given as 2x. So BD is equal to 5 plus 2x. Okay, 5 plus 2x whole square. But we know that AC is equal to ED. So let me, in place of ED, let me write AC square equal to, let us open the bracket, 16x square. 5 plus 2x whole square is like seeming like a plus b whole square. So 5 square is 25 plus 2x whole square is 4x square. 2ab means 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20x. Okay. So let us simplify this. AC square equal to 16x square plus 4x square is 20x square plus 20x plus 25. So here AC square we got this much. Here AC square we got 20x square plus 20x plus 25. Let us take this as equation 2. So now you see AC square is 25x square plus 25. Here AC square is 20x square plus 20x plus 25. Both are AC square. So these two are equal. From 1 and 2 we can equate these two. So let me rub the top portion and do for you. So what we have to find, I have cleared. We have to find, let me write, we have to find EACD. We have to find EA we have to find, CD we have to find, and we have to find AB is. we have to find AB and AC. These all we have to find. I have cleared the board, so I have written. So from 1 and 2, we can know that is 1 and 2 equations. 25x square plus 25 is equal to 20x square plus 20x plus 25. Okay? Because both are AC square. Both the sides 25 will be cancelled. We'll have 25x square. Let me bring this 20x square. This is 20 minus 20x square equal to 20x. Okay? Let me clear some part. So we will get 5x square is equal to 5x square is equal to 20x. That implies x square. Let us bring this x this side equal to 20 by 5. That implies x equal to 4. So we got x value 4. X means what we have taken x? AE we have taken as x. I have got that. So AE is x, CD is 2x. Okay. So AE is equal to x, that equal to 4 cm. CD is equal to 2x we have taken. 2 into 4, 8 cm we got. And AB is 5x. AB is given 5 AE. So AB is 5x, that equal to 5 into 4, 20 cm. So we got EA or AE, CD, AB. And AC we have to find. But AC square, AC is not direct as in, AC square is given 20x square plus 20x plus 25. And one more given 25x square plus 25. So from that let us find the value of AC. Okay. AC square equal to 25x square plus 25. 25 x value 4 we got 4 square plus 25. 25 into 4 square is 16 plus 25. So 25 into 16, 5 is 80, 8 carrying. 16 2 is 32, 8 is 40 plus 25. That gives you 425. That implies AC is equal to square root of 425. So these are the lengths. So it is good for us. Let us show the answer in decimal form. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 0, 2, 5, 2 double 4, 0, 0, 0, 25, take 2 more zeros which are not there. So put the decimal. 22s are 40. Okay. 6 will take place. 6 6 are 36, 6 4 are 24. 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 3 6. Let us take 2 more zeros. 206 double is 412. 2s also will not take place. So 20.61. When you round up, you will get for 1 place decimal 20.6 cm. 20.6 cm. So this is what we have to find. We have to find EA, we got 4 cm, CD 8 cm, AB 20 cm and AC 20.6 cm. Okay, with this we have come to the end of this problem. Thank you.